In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the client portal in Practice Better. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a new client and send them a secure invitation so they can access their portal with ease. First, head to the My Clients area from the top menu. This is your central hub for managing all your client profiles. If you're just getting started, it might be empty, and that's perfectly fine. This is where you'll add new clients and manage their access to the portal. Next, look to the bottom right corner of your screen for the red Fast Action button. It's designed to help you move quickly through common tasks. Click it, and from the options that appear, choose Add Client. This opens a simple form where you'll enter your client's details. Now, fill in the client's information. Focus on accurate basics like first and last name and a valid email address. The email is especially important because this is where the invitation will be sent, so double-check spelling to avoid delivery issues. You can include other relevant details as needed, but keep it concise and professional. Avoid entering anything overly sensitive. You can always add more later as needed. Once the client's info looks good, select the option that says Create Profile and invite client to join Practice Better. This is the key step that triggers the email invitation. When you choose this, your client will receive a message with a secure login link to access the portal. Let them know to watch for that email and to check their spam or promotions folder just in case it lands there. What happens next on their end is straightforward. They'll use that link to get into their portal where they can view what you share with them, complete forms, access resources, and stay on top of their work with you. Setting expectations up front is helpful. You might tell clients that the portal is where they'll find documents, appointments, and messages so they know exactly where to look. As a quick recap, go to My Clients in the top menu, click the red Fast Action button at the bottom right, choose Add Client, enter the client's information carefully, and select Create Profile and invite client to join Practice Better. That's all it takes to get someone set up and ready to go. If you follow these steps, you'll streamline onboarding and give your clients a smooth, professional experience from the very first interaction. Thanks for watching and happy onboarding.